Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take a look at the workspace, the PandaDoc Workspace, and a bit of an overview of the elements that are included in the workspace. So this is basically the landing area. You've got the home page here, and on the left hand side here you can see the various sections you can access. Within this main area you have like an activity section here that shows where your documents are in the workflow. So documents in draft, needing action, waiting on others for signing or to be forwarded, etc. And then finalize, either completed or paid, will sit in there. On the left-hand side, you have documents. So you can jump into the documents themselves and get a bit more info. And in here, you can see that there's a bunch of documents in here. You can sort them by the status or by owner if you have multiple, sales team members, for example. And you can see when they were last modified. Below that, you've got templates. So these are your templates that you use to create documents. And entering each one of those will obviously take you through to the editor, and then from within there you can edit the templates. We've got forms below that one, and in forms you've got draft, active, disabled. When you create forms you can do that via here or here. The content library is an excellent section to store information that you'd want to pull into either a document or a template. So you might have, for example, testimonials in here that are specific to client requirements. You could store those in your content library and pull them in on a document level before sending it out to a specific client in a specific industry. Below the content library section is the catalog, and this is basically a pricing catalog. So you can import in bulk pricing catalog from your platform that you're using, CRM or whatever it happens to be. It's done via CSV format, and you can actually get the correct columns or a sample sheet basically from the requirement section here, this link. So you can click on that and then get that, and then basically add in all your products and bulk import them. Other than that, you can just create them here by doing that. Click and create item. You can sort them into categories, and that's how that works. You've got contacts, reporting. The reporting shows the documents sent, viewed, completed, etc. It's all detailed in here. Depending on the plan you're on, you'll have different reporting metrics. On the enterprise tier, you get access to all of the reporting, and then the tiers below that have different elements there. You've got the inbox for client messages, an add-on store. In the add-on store, you can see the possible integrations, the CRM integrations, and the standard add-ons that are provided by PandaDoc. But you can see here, proposal quotes, etc., and then CRM integrations. You can see all of the integrations are possible to integrate with, and they're constantly evolving this, as well as things like payment gateways, Stripe, Square, etc. And then you've of course got your settings in here, where you can amend your branding, add additional team members, etc., and access billing.